Hi everybody, welcome to Mike's Garage. I'm going to do another video today on tire chains. It's getting ready to snow here again, and I got to put the snow chains on the tractor. I got the plow all set up, so there's a right way and a wrong way to do it, and I hope this video is helpful. Let's go out to the driveway. Okay, here we are out in the garage. I got the chain on one of the wheels. Before I put the other one on, I want to go over a few things. There's two sides to the chain. There's a smooth side, which goes against the tire, and there's the V-bar side that has the bar sticking up that digs into the asphalt or mud, and it goes up away from the tire. A couple different things. If you don't want to put the chains on, you're just looking for some extra traction, you can lay the chain out behind the tires. You can use it smooth side up or smooth side down, depends, and you just back up over the chain and it should get you out. If you only need a little help to get 3 or 4 feet, that'll help you a lot. There is a right way to put these on. There's a hook and a link on the other end that goes on the inside of the tire, and there's another clip that goes on the outside. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the chain ready. We're going to lay it out, make sure all the links are straight, make sure they are all facing the right direction, nothing is twisted. If the chains look like they're about to break, you need to change the cross link. You can reuse the side chains and just put a new cross link in there. So once you get that all set to go, you have it with the barbs up, and you just grab it and slide it over the top of the tire, and you have to push it so there's too much slack. It sounds easy, but it's a little tough to do. You get all the slack on the back side of the tire, so when you lay on the ground and get in the back, you should be able to hook the hook and the clip together without a lot of effort, and then we'll pull the chain back around to the front of the tire and put the other clip in place. Now, it's a big reach back there. The tire is on the ground, and you get that hook and hook it into the eye and just pull on it to make sure it's firm. We're good. Now we're going to go around to the front of the tire. And when we get around to the front, we're going to tug all the extra slack back around to the front and get all the slack and try to make sure the links are straight across the face of the tire. So we're going to start tugging here. We're going to hook that clip on the bottom. It's pretty straightforward. I don't think we need an explanation. You put the hook through the link, fold it back, and secure it in the clipped position. Pull the slack to the front, and then we're going to just get a bungee cord. I use a bungee cord because it'll get it a lot tighter. And you want to make sure it's tight enough, because when you're going, the centrifugal force of the tire going around will go up and it'll rub the fender. That's why I recommend you don't go too fast with these on. Okay, hope that was helpful. Please remember to subscribe. I could use a few more subscribers here on the channel. As you can see, there's a right way and a wrong way to do it. You can jack the car up and put the chains on the tire. It is possible to put the chains on while the tire is still on the ground. That's what I did on the tractor. You just have to make sure that you have it all measured out. The chains I used on the tractor were car chains. They're a little heavy duty, so that's why they seem like they're so sloppy. As long as you take the slack out with that bungee cord, you should be okay. Now I put them on the back tires because that's the drive tires. If you have a front wheel drive car, you have to put the chains on the front. Don't recommend going over 10 or 15 miles an hour with chains on the car. If you have all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive and you get in a jam where you have to have some traction, I recommend you put the chains on the front. That helps you with steering. If you're trying to turn left and you're on an embankment and you're trying to turn left and go up the hill, you have to have the chains on the front so the car will pull itself up the hill. Works the same way with four-wheel drive. You have to have it on the tires to help you with the steering too, along with the traction. So I hope all that was helpful. Please subscribe. If you want to leave me a comment, I try to answer all the comments. If you have any more questions, put that in the comments section, and I'll try and see what I can do for you. Thanks for watching. Well, thanks for coming to Mike's Garage.